So you want to remove the background of your video using Premiere Pro without using After Effects? Well, I got you. This is a video of my client that I have right here, and she likes to have green screen effects on her videos like this when she talks in her videos. And just like myself right here, it really is that easy. So let's get right into the tutorial of how you can do this. And the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have Premiere Pro Beta installed, because that is what you have to use to get this effect. And I'm really hoping this feature in Premiere Beta will eventually get into Premiere, because it saves so much time to where you don't have to use After Effects. So this is a 2-second clip of what your video can look like if you're needing to get the background removed from a subject.
Each liposome delivers marine collagen peptides.
So that's what it looks like. And this is the regular video of herself. And as you can see, there is a background. So the first thing we want to do is we want to duplicate our talking head layer. So what we can do is we can hold Alt and drag this to the V3. So now there are 2 total layers. Now you want to select your top layer, and over here, there's this icon right here that says Object Mask Tool. You want to select that. And when you go over to the playhead over here, your subject will be selected red that you want selected. Or if you want something else that's not necessarily the person, say if you wanted a book or something. In this case, I want my client to be masked out, so I'm going to select her by pressing. And as you can see, it perfectly masks her out. So now we're going to click this playhead right here, which is track selected mask forward and backward. We're going to click this, and it's going to track the entire file, and it saves so much time. I used to do this in regular Premiere Pro, and I would have to take this file into After Effects, wait for it to render in there, then go back to Premiere, and it takes so long to load each frame in After Effects, especially when it's a lot of talking head footage. But now we have the entire layer selected. So now what we want to do is we want to right click on the subject and click Change to Opacity Mask. And now you are good to go. And so I'm going to bring this B-roll layer over here, and now it's right behind her, and I can select her and have her at any size that I want her to be at. Let's just say like this.
Each liposome delivers marine collagen peptides.
And it really is as simple as that, especially for this client that I am working with, because there is a lot of green screen masking footage that I need to do. So using Premiere Beta saves so much time. So for any of you editors out there, I really hope this helps you out, and you found value in this video, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more Premiere tutorials like this. And I also make clipping content across my channel, so if you're interested in making money through posting clips online, then make sure you check out those videos on my channel as well. And I also have a free Discord community, which I will have in the description down below, where we can all give free value to one another. So if you're an editor, make sure you join that. And I want to make more content across my channel for freelance video editing, because this is my main source of income. And this client right here, I used to work with her a few years ago, and she recently just reached back out to me. And that really is the name of the game of video editing, especially with freelancing and making sure you do not burn bridges with clients you work with in the past. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.